Welcome back, guys. This is my name is Rahul Rathor, and this is my task 4 is the exploratory data analysis terrorism. And there I will be using the terrorism data set. There is the link available of our my Egyptian notebook. So there can be using to download this data set. And first of all, necessary is important necessary libraries. So after to in this video I am using perform this index based all tasks. First of all, reading the csv files means to read the data set, and after to analysis of the data and identifying the missing values, and after to perform the eda. So first of all, reading the csv file using the data pandas data frame, and after to show the first 5 rows using the head methods, and this is the data set. So after to check the data set shape, they have the 1 millions of 81 691 and 135 columns. To check the value counts, so this is the series, and after to check the null values, so there have the approximate is the more null values and related is the more non values. So after to see one using for data visualization and multiple also used for data visualization, so import both libraries, and after to first of and after to check the null values and plot. So check the values missing values, and after to plotting of them. So there have the null values is of the plotting, so more of the null values is here. So I am trying to remove of them. So first of all, using if we my library is using the missing numbers, so this is used for the find out the missing values. So import this libraries, and after to using the matrix formula to append of df. So there are the missing values, so some there is a very difficult to handle of them. So they have the shows the missing values, so this is the missing values. So after to try to remove them, so all the columns show up over here, and after to perform the eda exploratory data analysis. So first of all, count plot number of terrorist activity each year. So subplots using this of task. So I yes, and after to data and pilot equal to the data set type degrees, and add color essence or color dot dark. So the color for used after to extract and title of the number of terrorist activity each year, number of terrorist activity each year, and so number of activity for each year. So number 90 is more low, and 9071 is more low, and so the more increase is the more highest is the 2013 is the more activity of the crime. So after to check the number of terrorist activity each year, so they have the same, and the more highest activity on it 2016 is the number of attacks by year. So there is a simple of the number of attacks by year. So number of attacks is mostly is the 2060 year, and after to check the number of terrorist activity per each month, and they have the activity is each year. So 1 2 3 4 is the month, and more activity is the crime is the fifth month, means equal to 1 2 3 4 5 Jan Feb March April May. May means is the more activity, number of terrorist activity is more, so is the May. And after to July, so number of terrorist activity on each month here, number of attacks by years. So number of attacks by years is the they have the number of attacks by years 2012 is the mostly attacks. And after to check the number of terrorist activity each day, each country wise is the country wise is our. So per day, so per day is this of the more highest is the 15 15th means the 15th January 15. After to check that the number of days activity each day, attacks by year, and count plot of total attacks in each region. So each region based 6 and 10, so highest is the 10. And after to count region and country based, so this is the month 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and after this is our region. The more is the 10 and 6 regions. So after to check the region attacks, The number of total attack in each region is the 5,000 is the green and blue. So the regions and more attacks. So check the attacks of the ascending misses is the favorite and some more about the explosion. Bombing is a bomb is a more attacks is increase and after seconds two is the armed assault and other is the assassinations. Attacks types different types of the attacks. So mostly of the bombing and secondly of the armed and third of the assassinations. After to check the number of attacks per country west. So there are the mostly attacks is the Pakistan and mostly attack is the Iraq. And after to check the number of terrorist activity on each country, the countries the regions, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 10 11 12, so different countries and more highest like the 7 months is the different and 4,000 3,000 and other. After to I create a dashboard in Tableau, so of their more attacks in the different countries. So if I am perform of another, so check this is our map wise, map for country wise and the map for region wise too. So different India's total select any country. So different this is our dashboard. So thank you.